In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services. Click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button next to the Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!